This video is going to be looking at expanding brackets. In this question, we can see 2x plus 3, which is in brackets. So when you see the number outside the brackets, that basically means that that number is multiplying everything inside the brackets. So if we do 2 times x, we get 2x, and 2 times 3 is just 6, and the sign is a plus, so it's plus 6, and that's how you expand that particular bracket. In this question, we can see 4 and then brackets y minus 5. So once again, we're going to multiply 4 by y, and 4 times y gives us 4y, and 4 times minus 5. So 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. Now in this one, we can see a minus x. So let's see what we're going to do here. It says 3 times minus x. Well, a positive number multiplied by a negative number gives you a negative. So we know that our answer here is going to be negative. And then 3 times x is 3x. Then we do 3 times 2, and that just gives us 6. So it's plus 6. Let's have a look at this one. 2 times minus y. Well, so what we're doing is 2 times minus y. So it's a positive number multiplied by a negative number. Therefore, the winner is going to be negative. So we know the answer is negative. And then all we do is 2 times y, which is 2y. And the 2 times minus 3, well, positive times negative is negative. 2 times 3 is 6, so it's going to be minus 6, and there's the expansion of that bracket. Now here we can see 3x multiplied by x, and then 3x multiplied by 3. Well, let's look at 3x multiplied by x and see what that gives us. Well, we know that if we use the number form, 3 times 3, we know that's 9, but that can be written as 3 squared. 3 times 3 times 3 can be written as 3 cubed, and so on and so forth. Well, in this case, we have x times x. That's going to give us x squared. So x times x is x squared, but it's been multiplied by the 3, so it's 3x squared. That's our first term. And 3x times 3, well, 3x times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and it's just going to be 9x. Have a go at this one. Stop the video and come back when you've completed it. Okay, let's see how we do with this one. 2g times g, well, that's 2g times g. We know that g times g is g squared. That gives us 2g squared for this term. And the second one, 2g times minus 4. So 2g times minus 4. Well, a positive number multiplied by a negative number gives me negative. 2 times 4 is 8. And g is just being multiplied on its own, so it's just g there. So minus 8g. Okay, this one's a little bit more trickier. We're going to apply the same principle. We're going to multiply everything outside the bracket by everything that's inside the bracket. This time we can see 2t squared times t. So how are we going to deal with the t squared times t? Well, if we break this number apart, it's just 2 times t times t. We've got the multiplication here, and we're multiplying by t. So here we can see t times t times t, and we know that 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 cubed, or 4 times 4 times 4 is 4 cubed. So t times t times t is just t cubed. So it's going to be 2t cubed. And then 2t squared multiplied by minus 2. Positive times a negative is a negative. 2 times 2 is 4. And we've got our t squared there.